Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Poco X5 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items. Firstly, remember one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port. I suggest to use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. So, firstly, you need to take the cover off if you have. I will try to take this cover off. It's not too easy to do. Great. And now, as you can see, there is something in my charging port that's preventing the charging cable from going all the way into the connector. And now we are going to try to clear it. To do it, just insert the one part of the old toothbrush into the connector and just pry the dirt out. Toothbrush is a best tool to clean your connector because it's very flexible and it can't damage your USB charging port. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.